Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Netflix. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.